Hey there, it's Sarah from Edcafe AI, and today I'm going to share about Edcafe AI's quiz modes. So these quiz modes allow you to share quizzes in a way that works best for your classroom. So whether that's just for practice, some quick understanding checks, or even for formal assessments. So to use these different quiz modes, when you have created a quiz, you can click on the Assign key here. And in this assign key, you'll be able to see those three different modes. So you can use these modes depending on what you need for your classroom. We can shuffle up the questions, but let's just go ahead and do a quick preview of each so you can see what each quiz mode is. So when we preview here, let's first look at Classic. So Classic will show all of your questions at one time, kind of just like a form. So students can go ahead and click through all of their answer choices here. And once they're done, they'll get that summary and the feedback right away, all at once after they complete those questions. Okay, next after the classic mode, we have practice. And with this practice mode, students will see one question at a time. So they can go ahead and click on the answer choices, and then they'll be able to see those responses after each question is completed. In addition, you'll notice that they can also listen to music for each question. So all of these modes do have an audio option that they can toggle on and off. Okay, last we have our assessment mode. And so this mode is kind of like a combination of classic and practice where students will see one question at a time. However, when they submit their answer, they're not going to see all of the feedback and the summary until the very end. So if we go through and do all of these, we'll answer one question at a time and then they'll get all of the feedback. And when the quizzes are complete, students can go, or excuse me, the teacher can go back in and view all the responses for each student. So just like the other versions of quiz, you'll be able to see all of the responses here as a quick overview, or you can go participant by participant and view their results as well. So go ahead and try out these different modes to give you the flexibility to match quizzes to the learning moment and offer your students a clearer, more supportive experience. You can also check out the blog link below to learn more about the best times to use each one of the quiz modes.